Okay, we've got some real nice bluegill here and some green sunfish caught out of wood duck, and I'm putting them in this little water hole that holds water most of the year, even in dry years, right here above it. We'll put them in here and see if we can get a good breeding population, and whenever we do get some rain, maybe it'll wash their offspring right down in the wood duck. A couple of big old crawfish. This one's kind of red, but I don't think he's the red Louisiana swamp variety. I think he's a native green. This guy won't let go of the trap. Got big old pinchers. Focus. Focus. There he is. I don't know what he's looking for. Maybe just looking for some cover. Maybe he'll do well in here. The little old pond is 120 feet long or 100 feet long. Probably 120 and about 30 or 40 feet wide. I think it's about 5 foot deep out in the middle, and it holds quite a bit of water.